Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to make a weekly planner in Notion. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. So first, you need to go to your Notion and then create an account here. Don't worry, Notion is for free, though they will ask you to upgrade your plan. Still, it depends on you. So you can choose whatever template and design, and you can also request a demo if you want. So basically, we can skip this part. So this is Notion's interface. Basically, Notion has its built-in templates already. For example, for weekly to-do list, weekly planner, itinerary, and a lot more. So you just have to look for that. For example, our tutorial is all about how to make a weekly planner. All you have to do here is just create a new page, and then you have to look for weekly planner templates, and all you have to do is to edit. For example, this one, I have tapped a new page, but this time I can now click this templates below and look for samples of weekly planner. So this is what it looks like. Just go to the search icon or search menu and then type weekly planner, and Notion will show you some templates and designs for weekly planner. All you have to do is to click edit, and then you can now add whatever your plans or whatever activities you wanted to add here. But I can also show you how to start from scratch. So we can also create a weekly planner by just going to new page and then add weekly planner right here. Now you can add icon, you can add cover photo. So just tap this one right here for icon. If you look for a specific icon like calendar, just tap it right here and then change the cover photo. There are tons of cover photos that you can select here on Notion. Now to start, let's just say we're going to add here Monday. So all you have to do is type slash, look for heading, and then type Monday. Now, if you want to add table view, if you want to add um, bullet list or list view or whatever you want, you just have to simply follow this. Like you have to type slash, and there are tons of fields that you can use. For example, for one day, I want to make this as table view or list view. Everything is up to you. You can expand this one. To add again another one, just type slash and then look for heading. This time, this is Tuesday. Now this time I want to choose to-do list. So I'm going to type slash and then look for to-do list. So whatever I want to do on that specific day, I just have to add it right here. You can copy and paste, and this is the result. So we have here Monday and Tuesday. And if you want to add again like Wednesday, just do the same thing, slash heading, and then type Wednesday. You can now add here, for example, bullet list. So all you have to do is to tap the space and then slash, look for a specific property or field, and then you can now copy, paste, and add your list right here. Now, same thing if you want to add for Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. You can also change the color. So if you tap this line that's right here, you can see your options, or you can see these options, and all you have to do is to select one. So that's it. Now you can publish this, you can share this one, you can add whatever you want. But basically, this is how you create weekly planner using Scratch. But if you want to use also the template or Notion template, it's up to you. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.